We just went to collaborate in Alabama. Our collaborators in Alabama, they're working at Dauphin Island Sea Lab. They're literally developing their own tools. So the idea is that with that instrument, we can measure the performance of photosynthesis under stress. There's an associated model then where we can do some modeling to predict which coral, which symbiont is likely to be more resilient to coral bleaching than others. It's a non-invasive technique where we rely on essentially fluorescent signatures. So you can actually measure the amount of fluorescence that is produced and by extension then can make some inferences about the underlying health of the chloroplast. So the hope is to use this to then identify those corals that are most resilient to increasing sea surface temperatures, to heat stress. And the idea then is to connect it back to restoration. They want to give the instruments, the tools to the people who ultimately are connected to the restoration, to have some real world impact ideally.